Hey y'all, it's Diana. So let's discuss the elephant in the room. That's right, the 50-year mortgage. I know you've been hearing about it for the past 4 to 5 days. But disclaimer, remember, I'm a realtor. I am not a lender. I'm not a financial advisor. And I'm not giving anyone advice on their money. Please talk to your financial advisor or your mortgage lender to find out what is best for you and your situation. Okay? That's right off the bat. Now, are you thinking about a 50-year mortgage? It sounds like the mortgage that ages with you. Smaller monthly payments, a longer life. But before you RSVP yes to a 5-decade commitment, let's be practical and be clear about what you're signing up for. A 50-year mortgage loan is stretched over 600 months instead of the more common 360, which is 30 years. Yeah, your monthly payments are reduced because you're spreading your principal repayment over many more months. Now, let's break it down. Pros could be your lower monthly payments, gives you a little more breathing room. It could help first-time home buyers get into a home sooner or help buyers compete in a higher price market. It could free up some cash for childcare, student loans, repairs, or investments. And it might work for some folks with the variable income or long-term plans. Now, the cons. You're going to pay way more in interest over time. I'm talking like, ouch, a lot more. Okay, you would have to we can get into that as a whole other video. Your equity builds at a snail's pace. Basically, think of it as you're renting from the bank for decades. It could be harder to refinance, sell, or even trade up. It could inflate home prices even more if it's widely adopted. And possibly even get a higher interest rate at the longer stretch. So, bottom line, first you'll pay significantly more in interest over time. Like potentially hundreds of thousands more. You are trading short-term relief for a long-term cost. You build equity at a slower pace, like I said earlier, at a snail's pace. It could take probably about 30 to 40 years just to pay off half the loan. That makes it harder to refinance, to sell, or trade up. You're basically renting from the bank for decades. It's a long leash. It's not a long runway. So if you're considering it, read the fine print and think long term. Remember, there's plenty of financing options out there. So comment, let me know your thoughts. Would you consider it yourself? Let's hear it. And if you have questions, put them in there. I'll answer them or try to get answers for you. And I'll see you on the next video.